So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn, and if you're new, feel welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to achieve an ombre lip, and what I'm doing right now is that I'm moisturizing my lips using Vaseline. And because my upper lip is darker than my lower lip, I'm using my foundation brush. It's not that I'm applying any foundation, I'm just using the little foundation that was left on the brush to at least match my two lips. And now I'm going to be using the two shades of lipsticks that you can see. One is in the shade purple and the other one is in pink. I'm going to leave everything that I'm going to use in this video in my description box, so please don't forget to check. So the first shade that I'm going to use is the purple. You can use any shade of the lipstick that you want. The secret here is using two lipsticks in one that is darker than the other.
You can come back, acting like they when they see me, they be running away. I'm ready to ride, she's outside.
And as you can see guys, I'm applying the purple shade on the outer parts of my lips.
Niggas can come to my side. When she with me, I know that I'm fine, 'cause I know she right by my side. 'Cause if I ride for you, be fine. I'm a spine eye for you, I with you this time. Just on the side, catch a nigga slipping with a phone fight. We can be free.
So it's time to use the lighter shade, which is pink, and I'm going to apply that shade on the inner part of my lips, like so.
One focus and a nigga night, right. A nigga on me so nice. Me and my niggas don't really fight. We got shows ready to fly. Oh my, I made it cry. You don't want war, you know it's on me. I see it ducking and having you phony. The 16, my niggas, my hitters, my homies. We don't squash beef, my niggas.
So what I'm basically doing right now is that I'm repeating the whole process again so that my ombre lip can pop.
Every day I got a bloody thing upon me. If I go my back, you know I'm not lonely. But my niggas tell me that you really dirty. I never bear back, I got my gloves on me. I'm ready to ride, she's outside. And the niggas can't come to my side. But she with me, I know that I'm fine, 'cause I know she right by my side. Cause if I ride for you, be fine. I'm a spine eye for you, I would do all this time. If they come, I can't forget you. You got me doing things I'll never do. If you ain't here, what can I do? No one can put their hands on you.
So what I'm doing right now is that I'm cleaning my lips using my concealer so that everything looks nice and clean.
You got me doing things I'll never do. If you ain't here, what can I do? No one, a nigga can hold one. Mommy, let's hold one. They give me let hold one. Nigga can hold one. If you wanna hold one, yeah. Cheese.
And now I'm blending my concealer using my beauty sponge. And guys, that is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye guys.
Nigga night, bye, right. A nigga on me so nice. Me and my niggas don't really fight.